Click on the link below to get price. The Dehumidifiers Absorbers Home Electric Air Dehumidifier is a game changer for anyone struggling with excess moisture in their living spaces, particularly in bathrooms where humidity can become a persistent issue. This smart dehumidifier combines functionality and modern design, making it an essential appliance for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its impressive moisture removal capacity, effectively reducing humidity levels in small to medium-sized rooms. It operates quietly, allowing for use even in bedrooms or nurseries without disrupting sleep. The unit is equipped with a user-friendly interface that includes a clear display, making it easy to monitor humidity levels and set desired targets. The automatic shut-off feature when the water tank is full is a thoughtful addition, providing peace of mind and preventing any potential overflow issues. Aesthetically, the design is sleek and modern, fitting seamlessly into various home decors. The compact size makes it easy to place in tight spaces without being obtrusive. Additionally, the energy-efficient operation ensures that it won't significantly impact your electricity bill, which is a significant consideration for eco-conscious consumers. The smart features of this dehumidifier are another highlight. With the ability to connect to Wi-Fi, users can control the device remotely via a mobile app. This functionality allows for real-time monitoring and adjusting settings from anywhere in the home, making it incredibly convenient for busy lifestyles. However, while the product excels in many areas, it's important to note that the water tank capacity may require frequent emptying in particularly humid conditions. Depending on how much moisture is present, users might need to manage this aspect more actively. Overall, the Dehumidifiers Absorbers Home Electric Air Dehumidifier is a worthy investment for those looking to tackle humidity issues effectively. It combines efficiency, convenience, and style, making it an indispensable appliance for maintaining a comfortable and healthy living environment.